Hashtag Enterprise Software Innovations long-form tutorial script. You're managing your enterprise software stack all wrong. And I'm about to show you why the tools you're already paying for are sitting there with untapped potential worth thousands of dollars monthly. Here's the reality: most companies are stuck using enterprise software like it's 2015. They're missing AI-powered automation, intelligent data integration, and collaboration features that could literally cut their operational costs in half. Per recent Gartner Enterprise Software reports from 2024, organizations that leverage modern AI capabilities in their existing platforms see a 34% improvement in operational efficiency. But most teams have no idea these features exist. So let's break down the enterprise software innovations transforming how forward-thinking companies operate right now. And trust me, your competitors are already implementing these. First, the problem. Your team is probably drowning in disconnected systems. Sales data lives in one place. Customer service records in another. Finance reports in a third. You're losing hours daily just trying to get a single customer view. Your employees are frustrated. Your leadership can't see real-time insights. And you're hemorrhaging money on redundant tools and manual processes. That's where modern enterprise software comes in. Step 1. Audit your current stack for AI integration capabilities. Open your primary platform, whether that's Salesforce, Oracle Cloud, or Microsoft Dynamics 365. Look for the AI Center or Intelligence Hub. This is where the magic happens. According to Salesforce's 2024 product documentation, their Einstein AI features can now automate up to 40% of administrative tasks automatically. Find that settings menu. Navigate to Artificial Intelligence or Automation Settings. Screenshot this area because this is your control panel. Step 2. Enable Intelligent Document Processing. Within your enterprise platform, locate the Document Intelligence or Intelligent Automation module. This feature, often buried in Settings Advanced Features, automatically extracts data from invoices, contracts, and forms. No manual data entry. No human error. It's reading, understanding, and categorizing documents in seconds. Click Enable. Configure your document types. Set up extraction rules for your specific business documents like purchase orders or customer agreements. Step 3. Set up API-first architecture for seamless integrations. Most enterprises don't realize their software platform has built-in integration capabilities that rival expensive middleware solutions. Go to Developer or Integration Console. Look for the REST API documentation or IPaaS dashboard. This is where you connect everything. Your accounting software talks to your CRM. Your HR system syncs with your analytics platform. One unified data flow. One source of truth. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post enterprise tech tutorials daily, and you don't want to miss the advanced automation features we're dropping next week. Step 4. Implement real-time analytics and dashboards. The dashboard functionality in modern enterprise software has evolved dramatically. Per recent updates in Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Salesforce documentation, you now have access to AI-driven predictive analytics directly in your platform. Navigate to Analytics, create custom dashboard. You're not just looking at historical data anymore. You're seeing predictive forecasts, anomaly detection, and AI recommended actions. Your sales team can see pipeline health in real time. Your operations team spots bottlenecks before they happen. Step 5. Configure intelligent workflow automation. This is where enterprise software starts feeling like it's doing the work for you. Open Workflow Builder or Process Automation. Create rules that trigger automatically. When a high-value opportunity is created, notify the executive team. When an invoice arrives, route it to the appropriate department. When a customer reaches a certain engagement level, trigger a personalized outreach campaign. These workflows run 24/7 without human intervention. According to McKinsey's 2024 Enterprise Automation Research, intelligent workflow automation reduces process completion time by 60% on average. Step 6. Enable mobile-first enterprise access. Your team isn't sitting at desks anymore. Modern enterprise platforms now offer sophisticated mobile applications with offline capabilities and real-time sync. Download your platform's mobile app: Salesforce Mobile, Oracle Cloud Mobile, Dynamics 365 Mobile. Log in with single sign-on. Notice how you have full functionality in your pocket. Your team can close deals, resolve customer issues, and approve purchases from anywhere. Step 7. Implements cybersecurity and compliance automation. Enterprise software now has built-in AI that monitors for security threats and compliance violations in real time. Navigate to security threat detection. Enable automated threat response. Configure compliance dashboards for your industry. GDPR, HIPAA, SOX compliance monitoring happens automatically now. Your audit trails are generated automatically. Your data governance is enforced programmatically. Step 8. Establish data governance with intelligent metadata management. This sounds technical, but it's actually straightforward. Your enterprise platform can now automatically catalog, tag, and organize all your data. Go to Data Governance Metadata Management. Enable auto-tagging. Your system learns what data matters, where it lives, who should access it, and how long to retain it. No more data chaos. No more compliance risks. Now here's where most companies miss out: the pro tips that separate leaders from laggards. First, activate your platform's change data capture capabilities. This feature tracks every change to your data in real time, enabling instant updates across all connected systems. It's available in most enterprise platforms but rarely enabled. Second, use your platform's built-in AI assistant. Salesforce Einstein, Microsoft Copilot integration, Oracle AI, these aren't optional features. They're your competitive advantage. Ask questions in natural language and get instant insights. Third, implement zero-trust security frameworks within your platform. Modern enterprise software supports conditional access, multi-factor authentication, and behavioral analytics. Use them all. One final pro tip: schedule monthly reviews of your platform's release notes. Enterprise software companies push updates constantly with new AI capabilities and security features. Per Gartner's 2024 Enterprise Technology Research, organizations that stay current with platform updates gain a 25% faster time-to-value advantage. Miss these updates and you're essentially paying for features you'll never use. Here's what you need to remember: your enterprise software platform is vastly more powerful than you're currently using it. Most of these innovations we discussed: AI automation, intelligent workflows, real-time analytics, API integration, they're already in your system. You're just not activating them. The competition isn't using better software. They're using your software better. So navigate your tech journey with confidence. Start with step 1 today. Audit your AI capabilities. Enable one automation. You'll see the impact immediately. Subscribe to TechNavigator Pro for more enterprise software deep dives. We're helping businesses unlock the full potential of their technology stacks every single day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.